In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your board settings on chess.com. Whether you're just looking to spice up your playing experience or you want to customize your board for better visibility, these simple steps will guide you through the process in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to chess.com by entering the URL in your browser's address bar or clicking on your saved bookmark if you have one. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the page and find the login button. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you already have an account, type in your username and password in their respective fields. Be sure to double check them for any typos to avoid any unnecessary login errors. Alternatively, if you signed up using an external service such as Google, Apple or Facebook, you can use the respective button to quickly log into your account. This method is not only faster, but it can also be a convenient way to streamline access across your devices. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the chess.com dashboard. Navigate over to your profile settings by clicking on the settings option, typically found at the top of the page or in a drop-down menu under your profile icon. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to search for and click on the section labelled Board and Pieces. This section will hold all customization options for your chessboard's appearance. Here you will see a drop-down box beside the word Board. Click this drop down to reveal a variety of board design options. Chess.com offers a range of designs, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your taste or meets your specific needs. Whether you're looking for something that stands out or something more subtle, take a moment to explore what's available and select the design you like the most. Once you've picked the perfect design for your chessboard, don't forget to scroll down and click on the Save button. This step is crucial to ensure that your preferences are stored and applied the next time you start a game. With these changes saved, your new board design will be ready to enhance your playing experience from here on out. Finally, to see your changes in action, simply click on play to start a new game. You'll notice that your chosen board design is now live, adding a personal touch to your matches and making each game just a bit more engaging. And there you have it, a refreshed look for your chess.com gaming session in just a few easy steps. Remember, customizing your board can help personalize your experience and potentially improve your gameplay by providing clearer visual cues. Now go ahead and enjoy your improved chess experience with a board style that's uniquely yours.